Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video you'll be seeing how I made this cut wig, which came out very curly and beautiful. So I used Lush extension, one pack, only one pack. I used black color one, and you need a lace net. I used the lace net. Then you have to like cut the extensions into 6 pieces. So I started ventilating. Is the ventilating pin I used was 2 by 3, so 2 strands of air or 3 strands of air. That's the capacity of the ventilating pin. As you can see here, very you have to watch closely and understand. It's not, you just have to do a really good job to have a good outcome. So to improvise, you can use a white paper, or if you don't have a mannequin head, so you can just use a chair or something. So this, finally I'm done with ventilating. So I made my own weave on, like I just used thread and started using the attachment to go around. You look closely, you'll be able to understand the method on how I'm making it. So instead of just buying a weave on, you can always improvise. You can make your own weave on with just thread and attachment. It's no big of a deal. As you can see, it came out really amazing. It's shaking. So I used leave-in conditioner, hot boiling water. So you put the leave-in conditioner into the hot boiling water. I didn't really show everything on in this video because I don't want it to be too long. You put hot water, then you dip the improvised weave on. So you're going to need a little thread to sew through, if you can sew. When you're done sewing, so everything is going to be looking like this, you also gonna need a flexi rod because you want it to be curly. If you want it straight and you can trim it properly, you can do that, but I used the flexi rod and I coiled mine. You can use hot water to coil it to get that exact shape. Yeah. Finally I'm done. So it's actually a glueless wig, 13 by 2 front. So thank you, I love you, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.